This video will be showcasing the web client for mColor 3. You can use this in place of your standard desktop clients on both Mac and PC. You will need to create your workflows in the standard desktop versions, but once you have the workflows created, you can use this for job submission and job editing and those sorts of things. So to get a job into the system, basically what we'll do is we'll come down here to this little plus sign and we'll select it, and this window will come up and it allows us to choose a file. So when you select that, you can then go to your job list, pick the PDF that you want to run, hit open, and then choose the workflow here. I will choose that workflow, and then I can do things like change the quantity by typing it in. I can choose collate or not collate. I can change the speed for fast to best. I can rotate. I can make offsets. I can choose a standard in position. And I can choose the paper profile. When I choose the paper profile and hit the plus sign, it's going to bring the job up and it's going to run through that workflow. Now, the workflow I've chosen has a pause in it, so you will see the job get to a certain point and then be in the held position. And I like to do that because that allows me to edit it here. Like this job has spot color, so I can go through and do the spot color work. Now the spot color tool is the same here as you will find it in the desktop clients. I'll choose the color I want to alter, choose my printer icon here, and I will choose the two most dominant colors in my opinion, magenta and yellow. Change my steps. Choose choose my type of output I'm going to go on, 8.5 by 11 or portrait or landscape. And then I hit the button and you'll see it's being sent out to the output device. And when I get that, just like in the desktop versions, we're going to go ahead and figure out which one of these colors is closest to the color I'm trying to match, either a PMS book or a previously printed sample. And then I'll select my color, and I can do another one and bring that down a little bit so I can tighten it up, print it again, choose another color, and then bring it down even closer if I feel I can get it closer. Okay, and you see once I hit the check mark and select the color that I like, I'll select that one, you'll see that I've got a new mix now. I can either at this point save it to a previous set or create a new set or just keep it for this job only. It's totally up to you how you guys want to use this. I'm going to go ahead and add it to that set and hit the check mark. And when I hit this button right here, it's going to go ahead and do that work and send the file out to the printer to be looked at. Okay. If I want to edit the job, I can do the same thing. I print it and I wasn't happy with the position. I can change the offsets. I can change the orientation. Same thing I would do in the desktop client. If I want to delete the job, I will hit the trash can and that will delete the job. Now this deletes the job out of both the web client and the desktop clients. This controls both, and the same the desktop client deletion and addition adds and subtracts jobs from the web client as well. So they're intermingled and they do talk to one another. That's how we use the web client in mColor 3.